Welcome once again. The name still remains Bobetech TV. Today we are going to learn a different way of making money. This is just in a special way. If you are thinking, can I make money online? How will I earn? Don't just start thinking. Stop thinking.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm greeting all my subscribers, viewers, and whosoever is watching this afternoon. You are highly welcome to the channel. I'm glad you are always into this channel and watch your videos. Today I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing. This affiliate marketing has become something of earning broad online. How do we start it? When we talk about affiliate marketing, what is an affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing simply means someone referring you to sell for particular goods and earn a commission of it. For example, a YouTuber is an affiliate marketer to YouTube. YouTube will ask you to create content. You upload the content and they'll post ads on the videos, and when anyone watch the ads, you earn percentage of what the advertisement people pay you to. So we have website out there that need people to do as freelancers. So a freelancer is someone who is currently looking for a job to do by himself. By being the own boss, you access the work anytime you feel like doing it. So someone like you and I that are really looking for a way to make money online. So in Ghana we have many websites there, and every country we have, but I'm going to base this on the United States of America, which is paying high. That are called the Amazon affiliate marketing. And Amazon is a website that you can purchase goods, which you are buying things online. You can buy anything you want online with your credit card, your PayPal account. So how do you get this? We those in Africa, we are not allowed to use or to create an account with an Amazon. So you have to get a US number. I just made a video, and if you know you can't get the video, hit me up. I will make a new video for you. We'll call a particular website visual numbers, that when you download it, it's an app. You're going to purchase a number with a low price of 3 cedis if you're in Ghana. So these 3 cedis, let me just put it in dollars, 0.29 US dollars, that you're going to purchase the number for one activating. That's one. So you get the number to register this Amazon website. And even getting the number, how do you get it? You can't get it. So I made a video of how to get a free American VPN that work 24 good hours without stopping. That when you check, there is a video there, watch it, and when you finish watching the video, you just create it. And if you do not get it here, it's Opera Mini have a VPN offer that they are giving out. So when you watch the Opera Mini video I did, how you are getting a free VPN, you know how you are going to get it. So you use Opera Mini browser when you turn your VPN into America. So you create your Amazon, you open an account in Amazon, and when you scroll down to the Amazon, I don't have the account, and a friend showed me what he earned, so I have to make the video for my subscribers. I'm planning to get it because currently I'm at somewhere, so I'm just trying to get home. I'll purchase the number, because the number, in every number you want to use, WhatsApp or whatever you want to use it for, you have to purchase for. Every number is entitled to 110. So in that particular thing, you have WhatsApp number, Facebook number, anything you want to use the number to register, have it there. Even if it is normal messages you want to test, the number is meant for that, not for anything again. So that's why they are lower to buy. So when you get that particular number and you register, scroll down, they are talking about something affiliate link. That's referral link. They call it affiliate link. So type of the affiliate is affiliate. The link is not there. They'll ask you to generate a particular affiliate link you want. So you become an affiliate marketer of links. So when you generate the link, you can put your own name or whatever as a referral. So you copy that link, make a post, design any post like selling, or post those things at your timeline or like that people are not ready to purchase things from the United States. So you have to get people from the Europe, Asian, and those who are ready to ship things from the Amazon where they have their branches. So I'm going to teach you how you are going to make this. So to make this, you have to create a Facebook account with a VPN that is meant for US. So you can purchase a US number there, use it to create Facebook account with a VPN. When you create the account, everything of your account is showing that you are not based in Africa or wherever you are based in the United States. So that one you can get any of the free VPNs, because you can't use the Chrome, the Opera Mini browser VPN, because you can't use Opera Mini to create Facebook. When you use it, okay, those who are using Android phone can use it to enter the Facebook website to use it to register. But if you want to use the Facebook app, you have to get any VPN. And if you know you don't have any correct VPN, just hit me. I'll give you a correct VPN. My next video will be making a video of how to get a correct VPN which allow for you to use 24 hours freely. So when you open your VPN and connect it to US, now it will connect to your phone, showing that your everything is from your logins are from US. So when you are creating the account, it's US account you are creating. So the people that they'll start to post their videos or their website or their pages that are high, that you start to see their videos are from US. So you can go and join those their groups, and when you join those groups, you can use any name. Like, please, I'm not saying you should register that particular Facebook account for fraud or whatever it is. Please, this is for making of money. So when you register with that and you get the Facebook account, now enter like little things. That's US people website. We have the Snoopy, that's a page where you can search and then US people or Donald Trump. You like the page and follow the page and be liking on all that I have been posting. So they have a post there. It's like when they approve you, get into 3-4 days. So you can also post your Amazon distance. Is it gift card you want to sell or whatever, anything you want to, you can just make it and design like it's from Amazon and put your link under. So trying to tell them, if you want to get this, tap on this link. So people are there, they want to purchase goods. So when they just type on your link and purchase the good, you are going to earn the percentage from this. Is very good. It's good for making money with this affiliate marketing. The guy was telling me he made it like a man, he made 3,500. That was his first time as a beginner because someone just introduced him to. And first day, I learned this from the YouTube. That was when I was not doing this YouTube way. But later on, I found out like it's not something easy to do without getting those numbers. So I have to sit down and learn more. So I learned the digital marketing first. Now I'm a graduate of digital marketing. From my own side view, I'm having the certificate that I can use to show, but that is not meant for now. Anything you want, you can just hit. So anytime someone purchases, and you can turn your followers into like page. You are not monetizing it or something like. You want them to always see your post when you post it. So you can go, when you go there, all your friends will just be like, you'll be seeing the foreigners, those who are close, the Asians and the Europe people. Even some of them, the Africans will be coming just because of phones. All the logins can be in. And I'm always telling, whenever you want to go to the Facebook and post anything, please use the VPN, and that is how you can reach them well. Please, this video is only meant for educational purpose. Anything you go and do and Facebook hack your account is onto you. So make sure you use it well, because when you are not on the VPN and you go using that number, you see that you have to use it for fraud. So Facebook are going to definitely deactivate your account. So when they deactivate your account, you can no more use that Facebook account. Maybe it may be helpful to you. People are purchasing there. And the one thing is, when they purchase at your Amazon, this thing you register, you go there, the money will be there. So when you are applying for that free, they'll ask you to put your bank details and everything. This, like, sometimes they are using PayPal. So your PayPal, you just put your PayPal email. If you know you don't know how to get PayPal, please, I'm going to make a video of how to get a correct PayPal. That's, they never ask you for anything, verification of whatever. It will be US PayPal account. That is when you patch that US number. That's all you need to create this PayPal account. I'm not going to tell you to use this. Later on the PayPal, when you are linking your own Visa card to it, it will something like that. And we are going to get a Visa card to link it to this, and everything I'm going to be teaching here. So this, if you know this is your first time, please kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification post, and you'll be highly notified whenever a video like this is being posted. Thank you for watching, and you are always welcome.